It is human nature to change, but it changes late. Man's nature has his strength, but also his weakness. Man's true identity is hidden in his nature. Man's nature has both love and hate. In the nature of man is both his selfishness and a flowing stream. Man's nature does not change, only the formations change. Human nature is always unchanging, only the form changes. No one can change the nature of man, it only changes form. There is no change in the nature of man, only there is a change in ambition. Human nature never changes, only experiences do. His affection is hidden in human nature, like the fragrance of a rose is hidden in gold. Human nature consists in the depth of its sympathy. The radiance of human nature blooms in every corner, spreading the light of tidings everywhere. Behind human nature is an alchemical force that can work wonders. Human nature cannot be restrained by the crisis of spontaneity and creativity.